बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी ऑन संडे मार्च 17, 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी। द नेशंस बैंक नेशनल बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान एम्स टू सपोर्ट द फाइनेंशियल वेल-बीइंग ऑफ द नेशन अलॉन्ग विथ enabling sustainable growth and inclusive development. In line with our strategy, the bank is looking for talented, dedicated and experienced professionals for the following positions in the area of retail banking based at head office Karachi, Pakistan. The individuals who fulfill the below basic eligibility criteria may apply for the following position/job title: Group Chief Retail Banking Group SEVP, reporting to President and CEO. Age maximum 57 years on last date of application submission. Educational/professional qualification: minimum masters in business administration/banking and/or finance/economics from a local or international university/college/institute recognized by the HEC. Experience: minimum 22 years of experience with the bank and/or in the financial sector with at least 5 years as head of retail banking and/or 8 years in a senior leadership role in retail and/or consumer and/or branch banking. Proven track record of leadership and delivery of successful retail and consumer banking business in a leading commercial bank. Ability and expertise to develop business plans and strategic direction for the NBP retail banking group. Expertise of providing leadership to teams of skilled and expert professionals for achieving business targets and bank's strategic objectives. Fully conversant with business market trends and business dynamics. Experience of working closely with senior management of the bank, board committees and board of directors. Experience of senior level dealings with SBP, other regulatory authorities and departments. Strong leadership equality and excellent interpersonal skills. People management, communication and networking. Other skills/expertise/knowledge required. Fully conversant with the bank regulatory framework and SBP. ये हो गया आउटलाइन ऑफ मेन ड्यूटीज़। ये हो गया assessment interviews. Only shortlisted candidates strictly meeting the above mentioned basic eligibility criteria will be invited for panel interviews. Employment type: the employment will be on contractual basis for 3 years which may be renewed on discretion of the management. Selected candidates will be offered compensation package and other benefits as per bank's policies/rules. This is a senior business management appointment and candidates already working in similar leadership positions will be considered. Compensation and terms are competitive and negotiable, commensurate with qualification, experience and leadership potentials of the candidate. Interested candidates may visit the website www.siddharthradar.com.pk/careers and apply online within 10 working days from the date of publication of this advertisement as per given instructions. Applications received after due date will not be considered in any case. No TA/TA will be admissible for interview. We are an equal opportunity employer. Women, minorities and differently abled persons are encouraged to apply. Opportunities: a large industrial, ये दूसरी जॉब है। लार्ज इंडस्ट्रियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ रिप्यूट इन पेट्रोलियम सेक्टर लोकेटेड इन कराची इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम कैंडिडेट्स possessing degree from a reputed institution for the following positions: manager/senior engineer, power generation. The candidate should have sound knowledge about Wärtsilä make HFO/HST engineers, स्टीम टर्बाइन एंड बॉयलर्स। ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए BE मैकेनिकल/इलेक्ट्रिकल। एज 35 to 40 ईयर्स। इसका आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें। दूसरी पोस्ट है मैनेजर/सीनियर इंजीनियर मेंटेनेंस। इसके लिए क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए BE मैकेनिकल। एज 35 to 40 ईयर्स। तीसरी पोजीशन है मैनेजर/सीनियर इंजीनियर इंस्पेक्शन और ये भी आप देख लीजिएगा। क्वालिफिकेशन BE मैकेनिकल, एज 35 to 40 ईयर्स। Interested candidates should email their up-to-date CV at hrjobs2100@gmail.com. hrjobs2100@gmail.com not later than 26 March 2024. The position applied for must be clearly mentioned in subject line. एक और जॉब है, रिक्वायर्ड बॉडी फैब्रिकेशन मैनेजर एंड एस्टैब्लिश्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर इज़ विलिंग टू एस्टैब्लिश बॉडी फैब्रिकेशन वर्कशॉप. Body fabrication manager required with following credentials. Number 1, well versed with fabrication facilities, machines and equipment. Number 2, mechanical/industrial engineer or BTech. Number 3, 5 to 7 years of experience. Send your resume at g.recruitments1@gmail.com with the body fabrication manager mentioned in the subject line. जी ये एक और जॉब थी. अच्छा जी, एक और ये सरकारी मुलाजमत है, सिचुएशन वैकेंट. 17 मार्च डॉन संडे मार्च 17 की अखबार की ही सिचुएशन वैकेंट. पब्लिक सेक्टर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम सुटेबल कैंडिडेट्स फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट अगेंस्ट द फॉलोइंग वैकेंट positions for expansion of official activities / work in head office and regional offices. Position assistant executive technical E2 10 positions. Minimum qualification master/bachelor degree in engineering, petroleum/mechanical/chemical/electrical metallurgy from institute recognized by HEC and PEC. 18 years of education, 16 years of education. Minimum relevant post qualification experience nil. 2 years. Maximum age 35 years. Persons working in energy/petroleum including private and corporate sectors will be given preference based on their relevant experience. Persons working in government/semi-government/autonomous bodies/semi-autonomous bodies/corporations etc. should apply through proper channel and if selected will have to resign from their current posts/organizations before joining the organization. Only the most suitable candidates with relevant experience in oil and gas sector will be shortlisted on merit will be called for tests/interviews and selection will be made purely on merit. The selected candidate can be posted anywhere in Pakistan at regional offices of the organization. Mandatory provincial/regional/women and minority quota will be observed. No TA/DA will be admissible for the candidates for test/interview. The application should reach PO Box number 3035 GPO Islamabad by post mail within 15 days of application of this advertisement. The competent authority reserves the right to accept or reject applications/scrap this process without stating any reason whatsoever. एक और जॉब है जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में. A leading organization requires the services of qualified, energetic, medically fit and self-motivated staff for the following positions. Serial number 1 position name manager technical location Karachi. Qualification and experience qualification BE chemical/mechanical/industrial/electrical registered with PEC Pakistan Engineering Council. Experience minimum overall 6 years experience in oil/gas or petrochemical industry with at least 2 to 3 years as technical support manager. Number 2 experience in LPG business/industry will be an advantage. Appreciable knowledge of standards, policies and procedures. Proven experience at handling projects in a SIMOP's environment. Must be well versed with relevant OGRA rules, CIE, explosive rules and PPRA rules. In-depth knowledge of API, ANSI, ASTM, ESME codes and standards. Capable of independently dealing with third-party inspectors of relevant government authorities and departments. Number 2 manager sales and marketing. Location north. Qualification minimum 4 years bachelor's degree required experience, minimum 8 years of sales and marketing experience with minimum 3 years in oil and gas industry. But in case of master's or higher degree, 5 years experience will be required with minimum 3 years in oil and gas industry. तीसरा सीरियल नंबर है मैनेजर सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग साउथ. क्वालिफिकेशन minimum 4 years bachelor's degree required experience, minimum 8 years of sales and marketing experience with minimum 3 years in oil and gas industry. But in case of master or higher degree, 5 years experience will be required with minimum 3 years in oil and gas industry. No TA/TA will be given. Apply in confidence within 10 working days of publication of the advertisement. Apply online with your updated resume along with covering letter at careers.oilgas@outlook.com. careers.oilgas@outlook.com. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो.
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.